Okay, what's your name? Oh, hey, Brenda. I didn't recognize you, comrade. Okay, so, this is your microphone. Test, 1, 2, there you go. That's your microphone, just 2 mic sound effects for them. Now, I need to know what these two are trying to accomplish in their scene.
Make love!
What's that? Trying to build, about to do. You guys are robbing a bank. These two guys are bank robbers. You will be writing sound effects for them. Ready, Fernando? Yes. This is Foley Artist. Let me hear one round of applause!
Stop the car! Oh, you hit a seagull. And a dog bat. This is a stroke of luck, my friend. Pick up that dog bat and use it in our larceny plot. Brilliant. Let's get out of the car. A horse, even better. Let's get on the horse and run up to the rescue. We can be like coming back alive. Get rid of it. An owl took it away. Who needs a dog bed anyway? Come on, let's get on the horse. You hold still, contact. You listen to me, all right? You get on the horse. Sorry, bad time. All right, now I want you to put on your cowboy hat, and I want you to just drive the horse over to the back. Drive the horse. And I want you to make the biggest yeehaw you can. Ready? All right, here we go. Yeehaw! Go a little faster. Yes. Come on. Oh my God, we hit another dog bag. Where's the bank? You have a shotgun? I do. I can't cock by itself.